So it's necessary to protect our hard-working money. Today in this video, I tell to you how to use the Remitly application. A Remitly application actually good or bad for you, and what is the issue is coming after sign up. What is the issue is coming after transferring the money. Everything I will tell you in this proper video. So do not skip the video. Just try to watch this video till end. So first you open the Play Store and write the Remitly spelling. After writing the spelling, you see the application. After installing the application, you just click on the open, and after click on open, you getting two different sentences. The first is create a new profile, and the second is I already have a profile. So you are a new user, then definitely you click on create a new profile. If you are not a new user, then you just click on I already have a profile. So now I am clicking create a new profile because I am a new user. Now time is coming the selecting process. Now I am from the United States, so from United States is okay. So I just trying to transfer the money from United States to India. So now I click on the second part and I choose the country India. So now the stage is complete. I want to transfer the money to India. So now I am clicking next. After click on next, you see the email portion. Now I type my email ID and password. So after writing the email address and password, I just click on the join Remitly. And after click on the join Remitly, then you can see the option is biometric. So it's not important for me to create any layer regarding the security. So I just click on not now because my phone is very private and no one using my phone. So I just click on not now. After click on the not now, then you can see the first step and the official page regarding the Remitly app. Now you see the 5 option: home option, recipients option, sent option, reward option, and the my Remitly option. You can handle everything in this application, your profile, your bank link, everything. Now I just tell to you, if you are a new user, then it's not needed to pay any charges. So I just click on the send, and you see the 2 delivery method. The first is express method and the second is economy method. What is express method? The express method is you can deliver your amount to India very easily within 2 minutes or half an hour. But if you choose the economy mode, those mode you can send the money within 3 days or 4 days. In the first time you see not any getting any charges because you are a new users. So I just click on the USD and I just trying to send money $1,000 US dollar. So you see in the INR in India 83,140 rupees. So you can choose the express method or economy method, whatever you want, and you click on the continue. After click on the continue, you can see the delivery method. What type of delivery method? The bank deposit is existing, UPI method is existing, cash pickup also existing, as well as the money, mobile money. So I'm just click the bank deposit. After clicking the bank deposit, you see in which bank you want to send the money. So I just click SBI Bank of India because the person who received the money from me, those person holding a SBI account. So I click on the SBI account and I just type the bank account number. So those way you can complete the process and you can easily transfer the money. So this is the right way to create your account and transfer the money. Now it's time to tell you the actual conclusion. Is Remitly application good or bad? If you check the comment in Play Store regarding the Remitly application, then you see the major questions or major issue when a user sent money from one country to another country using the Remitly application. Those person are not getting any customer support, because the customer support is not actually very well. So when you using any application or any website, that is very necessary to check the customer support, because when you sending the money from one country to another country, those moment if you are not getting any customer and good customer support, it's mean your mind is going to the another zone, and the zone is very dangerous, because our money is not freely coming from any planet, because this is the hardworking money. So it's necessary to protect our hardworking money. So when you using any application or website, those moment definitely you check the customer support. So before you use this application, please check the customer support, as well as you go to the Play Store and check the reviews. The reviews is good or not. It's very important for us, because the money is very essential for us. So I just tell you, before you use this application, just check the customer support. And definitely I tell to you, if anyone from the Remitly member, please solve this issue, because this is not an issue, this is very dangerous problem for everyone. Because if anyone using the Remitly app and getting any issue regarding this, then this is not well. So please solve this issue. And I wanted to tell all the viewers that if you are using this application, first you go to the customer support and check everything. After that, use this application. And if you want to any another reviews regarding transfer money or anything, you can tell in the comment section. If you're getting any knowledge regarding this topic, then please like the video, subscribe this channel, because this channel is very helpful for you, I hope. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understood everything very well and very sincerely. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, guys.